today I am going to teach you that chapter determinant. Okay, so what is called now here determinant. Okay, so what is the meaning of determinant? So determinant is what here? Value of a square matrix. For every square matrix we find a value. Such value is called what here? Determinant of a matrix. But the condition is what? The matrix should be square matrix. Square matrix means what here? 1 cross 1, 2 cross 2, 3 cross 3, 4 cross 4 and so on. Okay, if the rows and columns are same, 1 and 1, 2 and 2, 3 and 3, these are called square matrix, and the value of a square matrix is called what here? Determinant. See this in bold. Okay, see here, for every square matrix, there is a unique value, only one value. Unique means one value. Such value is called the determinant of a matrix. That value is called what here? Determinant of a matrix. Okay. So what is important now here? See, note if A is a matrix. Suppose you are taking for example A is a matrix. Then what? Determinant of matrix A is always denoted by this two lines we draw here. And A we write here. This is called what here? The determinant of A. Or we can denote by this also. Det of A. Det of A means what here? Determinant of A. Or we can say as a delta also. This is called not triangle here. This is what? Delta. Delta means what? Determinant of a matrix. Okay. Now let's see the examples now here. How to find the value of a square matrix. Okay. So value of a square matrix we are finding now. Okay. So see that. As I told you, we are finding the value of a square matrix. Then first is order is what? 1 cross 1 order. First order is what here? 1 cross 1 order. So let's find the value of a 1 cross 1 order square matrix. Okay. So determinant determinant of a matrix of order 1 cross 1. So how to find the value of matrix who is having 1 cross 1 order? So see that suppose A is a matrix here and suppose it's having a matrix 5. Okay, so A is a matrix here. Which order now? Order is what now here? 1 cross, only one row is there, only one column is there. So order is what now here? 1 cross 1. So what is the value of this matrix? So value of this matrix is what? Is a value means it is a determinant. So how we denote here? A as a determinant of A is equal to, means value of A is equal to 1 cross 1 order is 5 there, no? Its value is a 5 only. Okay, so which number is there? That is the value of the matrix for only what? 1 cross 1 order. Okay, again if you write a matrix here A, small a is there, then determinant of A is what here? A. Okay, if you write here A as a x, any x value here, then determinant of A is what here? X. Clear? So therefore, if the order is 1 cross 1, the value is the same. The value is what here? Same. So this is called what here? Determinant of matrix A. So value of matrix A is 5, value of matrix A is A, value of matrix A is X. This is what here? Determinant of matrix of order 1 cross 1. Okay. Now let's see how to find the value of matrix of order 2 cross 2. Okay. So first I wrote here second. Okay, determinant of a matrix of order 2 cross 2. 2 cross 2 means there are 2 rows and the 2 columns. So how to find the value of matrix order 2 cross 2? Okay. So if I write here matrix A as a matrix I am writing here 1 5 okay 1528. Suppose 1528 is a matrix. So what is the order of this matrix? The order of this matrix what now here? There are two rows, first row, second row. There are two columns. Okay, first row, second row, first column, second column. So there are two rows and two columns. Okay, two rows and two columns. You are finding the value of matrix. Okay, so when you are finding the value of matrix, write here notation first. A means what here? Determinant of A. Now this is a square matrix. So write here straight lines. Okay, now here 1, 5, 2 and 8. Okay, now see that how to find the value of this matrix. So to find the value of matrix, first multiply this into this. This into this means left hand corner to the right hand corner. Okay, 1 into 8, 8. Then write a minus sign. Okay, then multiply this into this. Also right hand corner to left hand corner. So 5 into 2 is a 10. 8 minus 10. 1 into 8, 8. 5 into 2, 10. So 8 minus 10 is what here? Minus 2. So the value of this matrix is what here? Minus 2. So therefore, determinant of matrix A is a minus 2. Got how to find the matrix of order 2 cross 2? Means there are two rows and two columns. See one more example now I'll give. Okay. So example number 2. Now see here, I'll take one more matrix here. It's a 5, 3, 2, 7. Okay, 5, 3, 2, 7 is the matrix now here. Now I am going to find the value of this matrix. So how to find? Again I told that write here first notation. A means now here determinant of A, and write here straight lines. Square bracket will cancel that, straight line will come. Then here 5, 3, 2, 7. Now as I told that how to find the value of this matrix, first multiply 5 into 7. So 5 into 7 is what? 35. So 35. Okay, 5 into 7, 35. Then minus sign write, compulsory write minus sign. 3 into 2 is a 6. 3 into 2 is a 6. So 5 into 7, 35. 3 into 2 is a 6. So 35 minus 6 is what now here? 29. Okay, so therefore determinant of A is what here? 29. Means the value of this matrix is a 29, and this unique value is called determinant of A. Clear? This is of order what here? 2 cross 2. Okay, got now how to find the value of matrix of order 2 cross 2. Okay, now let's go for the next 3 cross 3. How to find? Okay, so now see here how to find the value of matrix of order 3 cross 3. Okay, so determinant of matrix, determinant of matrix of order 3 cross 3. So when there is a 3 cross 3 order, how to find the value? Okay, so third one is, now take any matrix of order 3 cross 3, any matrix. Okay, so I'll take one matrix here, 2, 6, 7, 0, 4, 8, 1, 9, 7, whatever. Okay, so therefore suppose this is a matrix of order is what now here? Order is a 3 cross 3. 3 cross 3 means 1, 2, 3. 3 rows, 1, 2, 3. 3 columns. Okay, so this is of order what here? 3 cross 3, and suppose name is here A. So I am going to find the value of this matrix. So how to find the value of this matrix? Now see that the signs for, there are some signs for each place. For this place plus sign, for this place minus sign, for this place plus sign. For this place minus, for this place plus, and for this place minus. For this place sign is a plus, for this place minus, for this place plus. Means for each place there is a sign. Okay, plus minus plus, minus plus minus, plus minus plus. Okay, so we are finding now the value of matrix A. So we can do it by expansion method. Expansion method. Okay, we can expand along using first row also, we can expand using second row also, or we can expand along third row also. Okay, or we can expand using first column also, we can expand along second column also, we can expand along the third column also. By any column or by any row expansion we can do here and finding the value of a matrix. Okay, so let's see how to find the value of matrix by expanding first row. Okay, so I'll write here now. I am finding these are the signs for this matrix. Okay, now see we can find the value of this matrix by expansion. So let's use the row 1 and let's find the value of this matrix. Okay, so using row 1 means what here? First, write here determinant of A. Straight line should draw first. Okay, straight line for 2, 6, 7. 0, 4, 8, 1, 9 and 7. Okay, now I am going to expanding along first row. Okay, expanding means using, expanding along, okay, row 1. Row 1 elements I am using and finding the value of this determinant. Okay, now see that sign is what now here? Plus minus plus. So plus sign is there for this and there is a 2. Okay, now 2 is in which row? First row. So 2 is in first row, remove that first row. And 2 is in which column? First column. So remove this column. Remove this row and remove this column. How many elements left? 4, 8, 9, 7. Now same as a 2 cross 2 matrix. First multiply 4 into 7. First this 4 into 7, 28. Minus 8 into 9, okay, 8 into 9 what here? 72. First multiply 4 into 7, 28, 8 into 9 what here? 72. Okay, now see, first element is over, this is over, this is over. Okay, now let's expand by second element. Second element is this, in the row number 1. Okay, for this sign is what? Minus sign. So first write here minus sign. Element is what? 6. So whenever you are expanding, no, first write the sign. Sign is what? Minus, and then write the element. Okay. Now 6 in which row? 6 is in the first row. So remove the first row. And 6 in which column? Second column. So remove the first row and the second column. How many elements left? 0, 8, 1, 7. So multiply 0 into 7 here. 0 into 7 is what now here? 0 minus 8 into 1 is what here? 8. See here once again I will explain. 6 is element here in the first row. So first row you remove. 6 element in the second column you remove. Remove means neglect that. Okay. Now remove this and this here. 0 into 7 is 0. 8 into 1 is 8. 0 minus 8. Okay, over. Now one more element is there in R1, which is that 7 element. For this sign is what now here? Plus sign. So plus sign you take here and element is here 7. So same procedure now also. 7 in the first row, so remove the first row. 7 in the last column, so remove now last column. Okay. First row goes and last column also goes. Okay. First row and last column. What left now? 0, 4, 1, 9. Now multiply again. 0 into 9 is a 0. 0 into 9 is 0. Minus, okay, 4 into 1 is a 4. 4 into 1 is a clear. Okay. 0 into 9 is 0 and 4 into 1 is a 4. 0 minus 4. Okay. Now let's solve this here. Okay. Now 28 minus 72. Subtract that here. Okay. How much will come? 42 will come. Sorry, 44 will come. Yes. Okay. 28 minus 72 is a plus sign. Plus and minus minus. Subtract that here. 72 minus 28, 44, and sign is what here? Minus sign is bigger. so minus sign. Okay, yes, okay. Now see here, 0 minus 8 is what? Minus 8. Okay, 0 minus 4 is what here? Minus 4. Subtract, no. 0 minus 4 is a minus 4. 0 minus 8 is a minus 8. Okay, minus 44 into 2. So minus 44 into 2 is what here? Minus 88. 2 into 4, 8. 2 into 4, 8. Plus into minus, minus. Okay. Now see that minus 6 into minus 8. You see, solve here, no? Minus 8 will come. So minus 8 into minus 6. Okay. Minus into minus plus 8 into 4. 8 into 6 is what here? 48. Okay. 8 into 6. Or 6 into 8 is a 48. Okay. Now next is what? 0 minus 6 minus 4. 7 into minus 4. 7 into minus 4 is what? Minus 28. Yes? 7 into minus 4. So plus into minus minus 7 into 4, 28. Okay? Now see that minus 88 minus 28. You add, no? Minus and minus you add. Okay? So minus and minus, minus only. Addition is what here? 88 plus 28. 126 or 116, sorry, 116. 116, okay, and plus what here? 48. Okay, adding this and this is what here? 1 minus 116 will come. Okay, and it's 48. So 116 is a minus here, 48 is a plus. This means subtract here. So 116 minus 48. Subtraction. So here 8 will come. 16 minus 8, 8 here, 81. 11 minus 5, 6. Here will come and here 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 68. The answer is what now here? 68. Okay. So therefore, 68 is plus or minus now here. Minus sign is bigger, so it is a minus 68. Minus 68. So therefore, determinant of A is what now here? Minus 68. So this is the value of the matrix 3 cross 3. Got how to find the value of matrix 3 cross 3? Okay. So first what do here? Write a straight lines. Okay. Write a straight lines. Write the elements as it is. Now I am going to expand on first row. Means using the first row. Use the element 2. Use element 6. Use element 7. Okay. Plus sign, minus sign, and plus sign for this. Now expansion means what? Remove this row and this column. 4 into 7, 28. 8 into 9, 72. Okay. Now for this exam element, remove this here. 0 into 7, 0. 8 into 1, 8. 0 minus 8. Okay. For this element, remove this row and this column. 0 into 9, 0. And 4 into 1, 4. 0 minus 4. Okay. So now we calculate that. The answer will come what? Minus 68. This is called what here? Determinant of matrix A. Determinant of a matrix A. Here how to find determinant of matrix A? Using the row number 1. Same way you can find the value of this matrix using row number 2 also. Using the elements of row number 2 you can find the value. Or using the elements of row number 3 you can find the value. Or using the element of column number 1. Okay. Or using the elements of column number 2. Or using the column number 3 also you can find the value of this matrix. Okay. Yes. So got now how to find the value of this matrix here? Yes. Okay. Now one important note I will tell you that expand along such row or such column which is having the more number of zeros. Means which row or which column is having zeros, more zeros, along that row or that column you expand. That will see in the next class. Okay. So we stop here.